You know, insurance companies think a world without lawyers would be a great place. It would certainly be great for insurance companies. Injury victims hire Friedman Law Office to make sure they're treated fairly. When insurance companies treat all people fairly, pigs will fly and we'll be out of business. Until then, we're here to help you. Friedman Law Office. We've been helping injured people for more than 35 years. That's what we do. That's all we do. Call 800-876-1093 today. You've been hurt in a car accident. The insurance company may tell you that you're in good hands or they're a good neighbor. Insurance companies will treat injured people fairly when pigs fly. When you're injured, you don't need a good neighbor, you need a good lawyer. I'm Herb Friedman. At the Friedman Law Offices, we've been helping injured people for over 40 years. It's what we do and it's all we do. Call 1-800-876-1093. In a matter of seconds, a car accident can turn your world upside down. You've been seriously hurt. Medical bills start pouring in. You're hurt all over and you can't work. I'm Herb Friedman. Call us at the Friedman Law Offices. We've been helping injured people for over 40 years. Put our experience to work for you. The Friedman Law Offices. Call 1-800-876-1093. I've been sitting here trying to think of an insurance company that gives injured people the same fair treatment they'd receive if they had a good lawyer. I can't think of one. When insurance companies treat injured people fairly, pigs will fly. Until then, we're here to help you. The Friedman Law Offices, 1-800-876-1093. You've been hurt on the job. You can't work. You worry about paying the bills. And what will happen to your family? Yesterday, the boss thought you were great. Today, he can't even remember your name. If this rings a bell, call us at the Friedman Law Offices. We've been helping injured workers for over 40 years. The Friedman Law Offices. Call 1-800-876-1093. Helping injured people is what we do, and it's all we do. All across Nebraska, you'll find honest, hard-working people. But accidents happen, and workers get hurt on the job. Injured workers have families to take care of and bills to pay. They're not looking for a handout, just a helping hand. We've been helping injured workers for over 40 years, and there's no charge to find out if you have a case. Call the Friedman Law Offices, 1-800-876-1093. Helping injured people is what we do, and it's all we do. For more than 40 years, Friedman Law Offices has been the voice of thousands of injury victims. We were the voice of Mike, a young man who lost his leg in a motorcycle collision. The voice of Robert, a husband and father who was killed in a trucking accident. And we were the voice of Mary, when a car accident left her with serious brain injury. If you've been hurt as a result of someone else's carelessness, let us speak for you. Friedman Law Offices, helping injured people. It's what we do, it's all we do. I'm Herb Friedman. Some insurance companies tell injury victims not to get a lawyer. That's because they care more about protecting their profits than doing what's right. At Friedman Law, our job is to help injured people get what they deserve. When you're injured, you don't need a good neighbor, you need a good lawyer. Friedman Law. We've been helping injured people for more than 50 years. It's what we do, it's all we do. Call 800-876-1093 today. I'm Herb Friedman.
I'm Dan Friedman. Our family has been in Nebraska for over 125 years.
Friedman Law has represented injury victims for over 50 years. We're proud of what we do, and now a new generation will continue our tradition of excellence.
We believe in doing one thing and doing it right, helping injured people. It's what we do, it's all we do.
Call us today at 800-876-1093.
There's never a charge to find out if you have a case. Here are some ways it can be proven in court that the other driver was texting while driving. Number 1, filing a police report as soon as possible. 2, admission of guilt. Ask the other driver what happened. They may just admit that they were distracted. 3rd, witnesses. When police arrive on scene, they can take witness statements. 4th, video footage. 5th, cell phone records. Call Friedman Law offices today. Startling new research shows that nearly 40% of all smartphone users actually use social media while driving. Distracted driving causes thousands of crashes every year in Nebraska. In 2019, over 3,000 people were killed because of distracted driving. If you have a smartphone, please keep our community safe and put it away while you're behind the wheel. This message is brought to you by Friedman Law offices, helping injured people since 1962. It's what we do, it's all we do. Find us at friedmanlaw.com.